Quintana Roo Human Rights Commission. Cozumel Deputy Visiting Office. The Commission has offices in each of the municipalities in the state of Quintana Roo. The main function of this organization is to ensure that state and municipal authorities fully comply with their powers and functions within the legal frameworks that govern them. Being an autonomous organization, it seeks to act as a neutral party in the resolution of disputes between citizens and municipal and state authorities, such as municipal police, the prosecutor's office, teachers from public educational institutions, officials, municipal directors, etc. When the complaint involves federal authorities, accompaniment can also be provided, as explained to Cozumel for you by Karla Carminia Rosado Aranda, Assistant Visitor in Cozumel of the Human Rights Commission of the State of Quintana Roo.
When this violative act comes from authorities of a federal nature, such as through a medical service, such as IMSS, Social Security, or organizations such as the National Guard, in this case, the Commission can also receive the complaint, terminate it for inadmissibility, and remit it to the National Human Rights Commission.
In addition to receiving complaints, training and advice are also provided.
Many times people do not know that there is an organization that oversees that the authorities or public servants carry out their work properly.
In this consultancy, it is evaluated if the complaint is appropriate, and if so, the folder is started. On some other occasions, a mediation can be reached that resolves the citizens' disagreement, that is, the matter is more of a management.
We invite the public to approach the Commission either for advice, for management, or to initiate a complaint procedure. The service we offer is completely free. We are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at 95 Avenue with Karla Carminia and Rosado Salas in the Repobladores neighborhood, and there is a telephone guard 365 days a year. Whether it is a holiday or a non-business day, 987-872-4152. And for any questions, we are here to support you.
The Commission also receives complaints from national and foreign visitors who are on the island, many times about service providers who do not comply with what is offered, and in some cases with complaints about restaurants and establishments that have refused to provide their services to visitors.
When it comes to these cases, we have also channeled them to the Procuraduría Federal del Consumidor, Profeco, or also to the National Commission to Prevent Discrimination, CONAPRED. Today, not only these two institutions, but the majority, have platforms through an electronic portal in which they can enter and present the complaint or complaint as appropriate.
In the event that the citizen cannot access these platforms, they can also approach them to have their data taken, and later they will be sent the telephone number or email where they can channel their request. The recommendation for the Cozumel 4U community is, if at any time you have any doubts or concerns about the performance of an authority, the first step is to approach the Quintana Roo Human Rights Commission. It has no cost. Since many times citizens have presented themselves with lawyers who charge for advice that is completely free.